Another research scholarship is available and open for applications to study in Ireland. So, if you are interested in research, if you want to do research, this scholarship is for you. This is the background about the scholarship. I'm not going to go into it, but if you go in the video description, you'll find the link to the scholarship. So you can click that link, go read more about the scholarship. And also, do click the link for my Patreon, download the app and join my Patreon. This is my Patreon is where I share scholarship updates. So if you download the app, you should get notifications whenever I post new information about scholarships that is not available on YouTube. So honestly, on this page, they did not offer much information about the scholarship, but this is what you get from the scholarship. You get a stipend of this amount per annum, so you can calculate how much this is per month. They cover your fees, and you also get some research expenses. So if you are interested and if you want to apply, then there are some documents that I'll show you on how to apply, and these are the key dates. So the application deadline is 10 October. You have some time to apply. You have some time to prepare your application and apply. And you start your studies on the 1st of September 2025. You will know by April whether you've been selected for the scholarship or not. So, like I said, there's limited information on this website. They did not put much information about eligibility criteria, who is eligible, but that information is found here. When you scroll here, you will see there's call documentation. You click this plus sign, then you see the document. It's quite an extensive document, so I couldn't really go through it. Otherwise, it was just going to be a lengthy video. But I'll read the guidelines and I'll also explain it to my mentees. So if you're interested in my private mentorship, you can sign up through the link in the video description. I offer mentorship, one-on-one private mentorship. If you feel overwhelmed by the application process and you need me to guide you and support you in your applications, then you can sign up for the mentorship. But other than that, you can just download the document, go through the document, and understand the requirements and the application process. They put all the information on that document. So you will notice that there is the English version and the Irish version. So be sure to download the English version if you don't understand Irish language, so that you can get the most of the information that is required. And then when you click here again, you find important forms that you will need for your application. There's an application form. You can download and go through it and see what sections are included, what is required for you to put in that application form. And then there's also a supervisor form. Remember, this is a research scholarship, it's a research degree, so you need a research supervisor. So you need to use that form to get a supervisor for your research studies. And then when you are ready and you want to apply, there are some guidelines on how to apply. I believe for you, you are the applicant, so you can download the applicant guidelines. Maybe if you have found your supervisor and they also need the guidelines, you can download it and share it with your supervisor. And if you have some questions, there's also an FAQs document that you can download and read more about the scholarship. So please go and apply. Take some time to read the guidelines and apply for the scholarship before the 10th of October. All the best with your application.